All right, hello, my fellow investors. It's the Intelligent Investor here, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about the outlook of the market and what I'm going to be doing to take the right approaches. Now, before we start the video, guys, use the link in the description down below to sign up with Acorns. Now, once you sign up with Acorns, you're going to be entered to win a free stock, and this stock is Lockheed Martin. So, again, sign up. It's a possibility you can win $340, a great blue chip company with a really great dividend. So it's something you guys don't want to miss out. Now, as I'm saying, if you guys think that Acorns is pretty hefty in pricing, I know they have the $3 price tag, but you can easily, once you sign up, guys, I'm going to show you here real quick. Once you sign up, you can easily click this button right here in the top corner, the little person. You can go to settings. You can go to my subscription. Just wait for it to load. And you can go from personal to light. And I'm telling you, this is really amazing the way it works. I use personal. It has an invest for my future, which is an ETF portfolio. I have a later, which is sorry, I blanked out. A Roth IRA and a Spend Smarter, which is a debit card. And I completely love it. I'm not regretting spending that money. And I'm telling you guys won't either. So let's jump back into this video. So, oh, and I forgot to say, once we hit 6,000 subscribers, guys, I'm going to be doing an Apple stock giveaway. So stay subscribed and you're going to have a potential to win a free stock, free money. So just by being a subscriber, I'm thanking you guys and giving free money. So stay subscribed, guys. Let's start with the video. So what is my outlook for the stock market? Now, the way I see the market, because of all the new printing of the money is happening, I mean, you have to see the overall outlook of everything. First, we printed out $2.1 trillion or something like that. We just printed out 1.9 trillion. Then we printed out 900 billion. And now we're going to print out, what, 3 more billion for infrastructure. And this is going to create a hyperinflation, guys. And people are saying, nope, there's not going to be a stock market crash. We just hit a correction and we should be going good now. No, we're not. We're going to hit a good market crash, and it's going to happen for a little bit. We don't know when it's going to happen. It's most likely going to happen this year or within the next year. I mean, like I said, we can't really predict it, but it's coming. And should we be fearful of this? I would say, in my personal opinion, no. So the way I'm investing right now, and like I've said, I do daily investments. So I do $1 a day on stocks that I feel safe with. So as you see, like AT&T, I have a daily reoccurring investment. It does only Monday through Friday. I do $1 a day. Why? Why am I doing $1 a day? Because like that, I can constantly have an average of the stock price. If it goes up one day, then I'm paying a premium. If it goes down, if it crashes, then I'm paying it at a lower price. And the way I invest, let's say, for example, I'm going to give you a quick example. This is something that you guys have to learn and be patient. You have to be patient with the market. And one thing I do that helps me through a market crash and all that stuff is investing this way. And I know people get desperate and don't like doing it like this because they just want to dump their money in one thing and throw it all in there. And I disagree with that. So again, a lot of people tell me, hey, look, you have a small portfolio in Robinhood. Why am I listening to you? Guys, I have a huge portfolio in Fidelity, and I actually know what I'm doing. I've been financial advisor before. I've been a stockbroker, all that stuff. So I know what I'm doing. And I'm telling you guys this to be safe. The way I think you should approach things, and I'm doing, is kind of, let's say you have $5,000 to invest, right? Okay, you're going to put it in Robinhood. Don't put it all at once. And like I said, okay, you have $5,000. Okay, let's say I'm going to invest, my investment thought of, let's say, AT&T. I want to buy $10,000 worth. All right, so I do a big chunk. Let's say I do $3,000 and I dump it into AT&T. Now there's a total of 10,000 that I want to invest, right? Then the other 7,000, let's say I want to put it in within the next 3 months. What I do is I do 3 months divided by the rest of the 7,000, and then I do, okay, 5 days a week because that's when the market's open, and then I'm going to do that type of investment. So I'm going to be like, okay, it's going to be $50 a day. And then every day it's going to deposit $50 and then buy a share and whatever, 2 shares, whatever the heck it is. And like that, it's just going to do it in 3 months. And like that, I get the best average. Because if I buy, let's say, at $29, boom, I put in $10,000 and then it drops down to 28 or something like that, then I'm already down and stuff like that. I mean, if in a company like this, I don't care what price I get it, but if you want to get the best average, then you're buying it when it's up, you're buying it when it's down, and if the market does crash, then your daily investment is becoming, lower and lower because you're investing every day during the crash. So, that's the way I'm investing. That's the safest way to go, guys. Don't just throw all your money in there in one stock. Diversify a bit and then know how much you're going to put and then constantly be doing a daily investment. And like that, you can buy the stocks when they're low. You can buy them when they're high instead of always buying them in a high or in a momentum that's going up or you not predicting the right downfall and stuff like that. And that's just honestly, like I said, the smartest way to approach it. And like that, you maximize your profits in the future. Okay. And honestly, guys, like I said, a market correction did happen, but as you see, it's going back up. But a market crash is going to happen. Like I said, I don't know when, but it's going to happen. Again, like I said, all this money that's being printed out, it's going to create hyperinflation. The dollar value is coming down and big corporations and hedge funds know this. Why do they know it? How do I know they know it? Because I used to work for them. Okay. We kind of see how things, go up. They know the market's going to inflate. We're like, okay, let's play this. We're going to play the inflated market and then we're going to sell out of it. Okay. So, like, let's say I managed a fund that was worth like $10 million. If I'm dumping in $2 million in one company, you know, then I know that stock is going to go up and it's going to shoot up. And once I dump my money out of there, the stock is going to come down and that's going to create panic and people are going to start selling and it's going to keep coming down and down and down. And that's how the market crash is going to start happening. Okay. Because big corporations are going to start pulling out their money. They're going to try to make the market stabilize a bit. They're going to have to pay off the margin because they're not going to risk margin in an inflated market. Okay. So they're going to have to sell off, not pay interest on margin because there's huge potential for loss because of the extra printed money and the market is going to be down there. And slowly they're going to start jumping back into it. So it's going to take time to recover. And, it's going to happen like that. So what I'm doing, like I said, be careful. Right now, I'm going to kind of keep my daily investments, but huge portions of money, I'm going to start keeping the money. You get me? Like, let's say you guys have a stimulus check that you guys are getting, right? $1,400. I wouldn't suggest you guys dump your money in the market yet. I would say hold it. You can put it in your account, but hold it because once we hit a market crash, that's when you want to buy. And for me, I'm going to start holding money from now until that day happens. And again, I'm going to hoard money. And then when that comes in, that's when I'm going to start buying stuff. Okay. And that's one thing I want you guys to kind of see and understand. It might take some time and you guys have to be patient, but let's say you load up $10,000 and instead of putting those $10,000 right now, you wait it out. The market comes down, crashes, then you start buying, and when it starts recovering, then your potential growth is going to be much, much higher. But again, I would suggest safer stocks more than risky stocks. And for me, again, like safer stocks is like AT&T, Coca-Cola. AT&T is still a bit risky, but like Coca-Cola, Realty Income, Chevron, Apple, Tesla a little bit more so, and Lockheed Martin. Those are the ones that I completely have a lot of faith in. If they come down, then it's even better for me because I could buy more at a cheaper price and I'm getting a good hefty dividend as well. So that's the thing I want you guys to see, guys. Honestly, just be safe, be good. And I'm just giving you this information because I want you guys to succeed, okay? And like I said, I don't do this because I get money out of YouTube. I don't get money out of anything. I mean, my sponsor is Acorns, and the money they pay me or they give me is the money I use to give away the free stocks. So, I tell them, hey, sponsor my video, and then can you purchase a stock for me so I can give it away? And they're like, yeah, that's good. And that's how we work with the sponsor. So that's how I decide what stocks to give out because I tell them, hey, are you willing to do this stock? And they're like, yeah, we'll pay for it. And we sponsor your videos for this, we'll sponsor you. And again, I know the people from Acorns, and they're really great people. And like I said, I do have connections in Wall Street, all that stuff. I talk to people, so that's how I'm well connected all around. And it's good to have connections, guys. And like I said, I'm doing this all for you guys because I've struggled in the market before. And for me to get to the point that I am now, took me a lot of work. And I want you guys to eventually get there. So that's why I'm saying I'm doing this Robinhood portfolio to show you that with a little bit of money, you guys can actually get a long way. And your end goal is going to be wealth, and you guys are going to get there if you guys do the right things. So I'm slowly going to start showing you guys how to do things, how to like approach things, and kind of change your personality to actually be successful in the market. And slowly be giving you knowledge, because again, the more people that succeed, the better it is, you know. And honestly, we can build a great community, help each other out. And honestly, I'm going to give you as much of my knowledge as I can. And I'm going to be teaching you guys here step by step. So honestly, check out all the rest of my videos so you guys can kind of see where I'm coming from in my mindset, and kind of make sure you guys get that kind of mentality as well. So you guys can learn yourself and then approach things yourself, and you guys make your own decisions in that aspect. So thank you guys for watching. Again, if you guys like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. If you guys want to help out this channel, like I said, use the link in the description down below to sign up with Acorns so you guys can get a free stock. Now, if you guys don't get this free stock, then again, I'll be doing another stock giveaway. So if you guys signed up with Acorns, then those people that didn't win this week, you will have a chance to win the next one. And it's constantly going to be moving that way. The more stock giveaways I'll be doing, the better chances you guys are going to have of winning that stock. And you're constantly going to be in it. So if it's 2 years from now, you'll eventually win one. You get what I'm saying? Hopefully. And yeah, we'll just keep doing it like that. I mean, I want to get back to you guys so you guys can, you know, enjoy it. So thank you guys for everything, and I'll see you guys next time.